What is up, YouTube? I'm Chris with The Average Jeepers, and today I'm going to show you how to get your back door on your Cherokee unstuck. But first, why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, give this video the thumbs up, and make sure you hit that bell for notifications because we upload multiple times a week and we do weekly trail rides and how-to tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First thing you're going to need is you're going to need a stuck door. If your door's stuck and you're having to open it up this way, I'm going to show you how to fix it because that is annoying. Alright, to do this you're going to need a Phillips head, a flat head, and an Allen head. Okay, if your button's sticking, you're going to have to take the door panel off. In order to take the door panel off, you have to remove these two screws, and then there's one screw right here on right behind the door handle. Now that you got your screws out, you're going to take your flat head and you're going to pull out here and start popping the door panel out. When you got it popped out, you're going to lift up and pull out. If you look right here, you're going to have a plug right here for your lock. Unplug your plug. These little clips right here, pop them back, spin them forward, pop it down. Pop it back, spin it back, pop it up. Now your door panel's off. Alright, now press the door handle in and you can watch that move. Okay, so it appears it needs to be adjusted a little bit because it's not pushing down quite enough to release the lock. So now what you need to do is come over here, and if you look in this hole right here, see if I can get a light in there for you. Now to adjust your lever, you're going to need to loosen this Allen head right here. And once you have it loosened, take your flathead and grab the metal that it's attached to and pry up with it and then tighten. Alright, now that you've adjusted that, you're going to want to test it with your door handle. And that appears to be working fine. Now if your button's sticking, what you're going to want to do, grab some WD-40 and just spray that mechanism I showed you in the beginning. Just spray it down. And then work your button a little bit. Oops. And the door's all fixed. Put your door, you might have to keep prying on this and adjusting this to get this to release. But once you find the spot that it needs, you should be good to go. Your door will work great. Now that your door's fixed, let's put the door panel back on. Remember to put your plug back in. To hook up your lock and door release. Make sure you get these going the right way. Remember, push in and then turn the clip towards you. Push up, turn the clip towards you. Get it clipped into the top. Pop it back in. Put your screws back, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. I hope that I helped you with your door, and remember to like, share, and subscribe because we upload weekly. We go on weekend rides and upload it every week. And remember, we don't just fix our Jeeps, we break them too.